Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the ground.
And here we go. On our way to get crabs. They do, but you said that has more mercury in it.
These are cheaper, $7.99, and the smaller ones are $9.99 a pound.
The male ones, females. Yeah, I think the males are bigger too. He on some we with too. He said we giving a 2 for 1.
No, he not alive. We don't want him.
No?
Oh, I like it.
That's how they be sometimes.
Drop his ass like them seagulls, dude. Still ain't gonna let go of you?
You got another one.
Another dead one.
So this is everything you need to steam your crabs at home. I am going to be using Corona, that whole can. The seasoning for the crabs, you can get that right in H-mart in the aisle where the crabs be at. And apple cider vinegar. I'm also going to be adding mustard to mine as well. I just feel like it adds a little extra I'm going to be cooking this in my electric oven roaster. I've literally been using this oven roaster for everything, but it makes it so easy to cook outside. You just plug it up and steam your crabs right in it. I steam them for about 25 to 30 minutes on 400 and you get perfectly bright red, seasoned, well Maryland crab. Now for dipping, I like to make my own little melted butter and vinegar to dip my crabs in, and I gotta have a hard cider. I'm not a big girl with my crabs. I like hard cider. It's so easy to steam crabs at home, and during the summer months I do this at least once a week, and buying my crabs makes it way more affordable than going to a crab house. So I hope you enjoyed this video and try them at home.